What's on the workbench? Spinning gears, Larry's RC room.
Well, hello, and welcome my YouTube families. Hey, all my YouTube associations of addicted hobbyists. Here today, what's on the bench? I've got my SCX6 Big Eagle tore down. I've done tore into the transmission and did not find anything wrong with it at all. So I said, well, I troubleshot it again and found out that my rear gear was going click, 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 click. I said, what's going on with that? Okay, so I tore it apart, and here it is. I've got the ring gear, and I've got the pinion gear out, and I've looked the gears over, and they're not really got no chips places or nothing. There's a wear place on one side of the gear, but I said, okay, let's take this gear apart, because I went ahead and bought a BRK RC gears for it. It come with all the screws and stuff. I got my wrench out and I said, let's see what size that is. And I was just testing the wrench size. And guess what I found? I found that all of these screws are finger loose, man. They are all finger loose. All the way around, all 6 of them. So let that be a little lesson to all of us, myself included, that Axial either forgot to put Loctite on those, on these big 40-pound trucks, or they backed off. Either way, guess what I've got? I've got some Loctite that's going to go on them. Yes, I do. It's going to be Loctited, secured in place. We're going to torque it down, and yes, Permalock. Blue will be on those screws. Put brand new screws in it. Everything else seems to be A-OK. It's just, I'm going to go ahead and replace the gears, because they do have some flat spot on them, a little bit of a shine to them, and it's like, man. Anyways, when you take this apart, make sure that you save that shim that's on that bearing. That bearing's got a shim right there. It rides against this. So be sure you do that. Well, that's what's on the bench. We got it going on. Yep. Gonna have to put some more grease to it too. And I will use my marine style grease, which is in this little container right here. And I've got some popsicle sticks that I'll use to dope it up with as I put it all back together. Alright, as you can see, there's my gears off. You probably can't see this on camera, but there is a little bit of wear on that and a little bit of wear on this where that was loose. There's the screws that come out of it. As you can tell, there is zero Loctite on any one of those screws. One of them was backed out. So far, it was really noticeable. And I said, wow. But all of them were backed out at least a turn and a half. One of them was backed out almost 3 turns. And I'm going, wow, dude, man, I sure am glad it didn't mess up my housing. And luckily it did not. So didn't mess up that part of the housing, the cover, or inside the housing, nowhere. So that's a plus. I think I caught it just in time. Luckily, I was here on my RMX RC play park area when it happened. So I was able to bring it right in the house and just pull the battery and quit playing. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hey, we're going to get this Big Eagle back on the trail pretty soon now. Yay! Happy Father's Day to each and every one of you.